I'm reviewing ActiveCampaign CRM, sharing my experience. Find links below. ActiveCampaign is a CRM and marketing automation platform perfect for businesses, especially small to medium-sized, wanting streamlined customer relationships and boosted marketing and sales. Its standout feature is marketing automation. Build personalized customer journeys with its intuitive drag-and-drop builder. Nurture leads, send targeted emails, and trigger actions based on customer behavior for timely, relevant interactions. Boost engagement and conversions. ActiveCampaign CRM offers visual pipeline management. Track and manage deals through customizable stages, prioritize leads, and monitor progress for efficient deal closing. Email integrate seamlessly, send, track, and keep all communication within the CRM. Advanced segmentation and lead scoring let you focus on high-value prospects. Detailed profiles and behavior tracking allow tailored sales and marketing. Reporting tools provide insights into campaign performance, team productivity, and deal success, enabling data-driven decisions. ActiveCampaign integrates with over 850 apps, including Shopify, WordPress, and Salesforce. A robust mobile app lets you manage everything on the go. While feature-rich, beginners might face a learning curve with automation workflows. ActiveCampaign CRM is powerful for businesses wanting advanced marketing automation and CRM. It's ideal for combining customer relationship management with data-driven marketing. Check the links below to explore ActiveCampaign and see if it fits your business goals. This review should help you decide if it's the right platform.